So you need to find the BPM of your audio files on macOS. For that, there's a simple and free app called BPM Finder. Let me show you how it works. First, head to the App Store and search for BPM Finder. Click on it and install the app. Now, once it's open, either import your audio files or just drag and drop them into the app. Here I am importing a folder directly that the app scanned for audio files. Then click Analyze and it'll detect the beat per minute for each file. It does it within 1 second for each track, which is very fast. About the BPMs, you've got some formatting options too. So if you click here, you can choose how many decimals to show, or you can pick a rounding method, and you can even set a tempo range, meaning if the BPM falls outside that range, the app will double or halve it to fit within your target range. Also, as a side note, the app works completely offline, so no internet connection is needed. By the way, Rebels, which is the company behind the app, has other nice tools for artists. There is a button in the app you can click to check out these other tools you might need. So if you have a minute, I'd recommend you give it a look as well. If there's anything you need me to clarify, or if this has been helpful, leave a like or a comment. That's the best way to support this channel. And if you need more tips like this one, feel free to subscribe as well. Thanks for watching and see you next time.